Hi, I'm Steve Sapato. What if $2,000 could make you a millionaire? What if 1 hour of training a week could double your income in the next 12 months? This is not a get-rich promise. It's a proven business course to give you all the secrets that every small business has not learned. Secrets taught by Simon Sinek, Gary Vee, Tony Robbins, Christy Wright, Russell Brunson, and it's all available to you right now. Do you want more? Have you been hoping for a chance to learn how to get more without spending all your money? Well, read more about it by clicking on the link below. I'm not here to sell you anything, but I am here to help you grow your business exponentially. I'm Steve Sapato. You can reach me at steve@profitbuildercoaching.com. And I'm serious when I say this is the course you need to take. God bless.